Let's learn the names sea animals. Let's go.
Hooray!
Dolphin. This is a dolphin. Sea turtle. This is a sea turtle. Clownfish. This is clownfish. Shark. This is shark. Octopus. This is an octopus. Starfish. This is a starfish. Crab. This is a crab. Whale. This is a whale. Jellyfish. This is a jellyfish. Lobster. This is a lobster. Sea lion. This is a sea lion. Squid. This is a squid. Prawn. This is a prawn. Tuna. This is a tuna. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.
Thank you.